Hi everyone! If you've ever needed to convert text from an image into editable text, I've got a handy tool for you.
Wow!
Let me show you how to use it. First, go to Google and search for https://www.imageotext.io. Click on the link to open the website. Once you're on the site, look for the Browse button and click it. Select the image you want to convert from your device and upload it. After the image is uploaded, click on Submit. The tool will take a moment to process the image and extract the text. Once the conversion is done, you'll see the text displayed on the screen. You can now either copy the text directly or download it for future use. And that's it. Simple and efficient. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.